everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now, today's tip of the week is a vocabulary term called a lock-in clause. And this is not possible on residential loans. Residential loans actually aren't allowed to have these clauses, but you might see these on some commercial transactions. So you might have heard of on a residential property something called a prepayment penalty. And a prepayment penalty is where the bank will actually charge the borrower a penalty for paying off their loan early. I know that sounds crazy that you think the bank would want their money back quickly, right? Just to make sure you're not going to default. But actually on some residential loans, banks put these prepayment penalties where if you pay it off too early, you pay a penalty. The lock-in clause is a clause that's sometimes found on commercial loans that basically prohibits an early payoff of the loan. So if you have a loan with a lock-in clause in it, you literally cannot pay off the loan. If you pay off the loan, they'll send you the money right back. This is because the commercial lender has a certain amount of yield that they want to make on the loan. So if they make you a big $8 million or $20 million loan and you pay it off in 2 days, the bank's not really earning the interest that they thought they would. So what is a lock-in clause? A lock-in clause is a clause in a commercial loan that prohibits an early payoff. So again, if the question on the exam were to say, in commercial transactions, a clause which would prohibit an early payoff of the loan could best be described as what? Your answer, a lock-in clause.